don't improve your money mindset as an entrepreneur. This might be controversial, but I'm going to share 3 reasons you should not invest in addressing the money mindset blocks you have in business. Hey, it's Charissa, and here we use scripture to help you shift your beliefs around money, wealth, and business so that you can create a legacy of impact and generosity. Reason number 1, you really don't care about helping other people and making their lives better. If there's no deep drive in your heart to serve other people, to make their lives better, then you're just going to be wasting your time, wasting your money, wasting your effort if you're going to start addressing those money blocks in business. And who wants to waste time, money, and effort? Why should you make anyone else's life better? Being able to confidently go out and serve more clients who are so grateful to work with you because of the transformation that they receive. This all happens almost immediately if you do address those money blocks in your business. But you don't really care about helping other people, so you wouldn't want any more grateful clients in your business. You don't want to make more money in your business, and you certainly don't want to bring home any more money to your family. Making more money, having more money is meaningless. It's completely meaningless to you. You've managed to figure out a way where you can live the lifestyle you want, you can feed your kids without having any money exchanging hands. Everything you need, you can get it without any money. After all, money is just a piece of paper. It's just coins. It's just a digital transaction. It has no meaning, no value whatsoever. Because we all know money does not buy happiness. In fact, you believe money is the root of all kinds of evil and should be avoided just like the plague. You believe money is definitely not important to God. Even though there's over 2,500 verses in the Bible that directly talk about money and plenty of other verses that mention money indirectly, it all has zero importance. It doesn't matter that these verses tell you how to manage the money that you've been given and how to do great good with it, how to honor God with it. It really doesn't matter because money isn't important. The 3rd reason why you should never invest in your money mindset as a business entrepreneur is because living a life of purpose and impact, of generosity, is not something that will fulfill you. If your goal is to live a mediocre life without having any impact on anybody else around you, you're better off never addressing those money blocks. Because here's what I know. Purpose, joy, fulfillment, and satisfaction are all yours when you do decide to work on your money mindset as an entrepreneur. Getting past your money hangups as an entrepreneur is the key to creating a business that has incredible impact that will go on for generations to come. But this type of life isn't for those who are just content to settle, just barely existing until you die. Now you know the 3 reasons you should never put your time, money, and effort into addressing the money blocks as an entrepreneur. Wait, Charissa, but that's not me. If you're saying that because you are a business owner who really truly cares deeply about making other people's lives better and to serve them through your business, you do want to make more money, you want to help your family, you want to improve your family's financial future, and you know that it's important to have money so that you can create that life of freedom that you want. You're also a business owner who knows that God deeply cares about money because there's so much said in scripture, and your greatest desire is to honor Him with your money, with your business, and with your wealth. You have this desire to be extremely generous, and you know that it takes money so that you can be as generous as you desire. Most importantly, you know you want to live a life without regret. Knowing that you fulfilled your call in business, knowing that you served the multitudes of clients that you were called to serve, and that you created this legacy of impact and generosity. If that's you, then you're going to want to see how applying scripture to shift your beliefs around money will help you create the greatest asset in your business, a biblical money mindset. And if you want to see all the incredible benefits a biblical money mindset will bring to you, to your business, to your family, then you're going to want to watch this video next.